Your name and badge number.
Officer Tripp.
Badge number.
807.
What was your probable cause for calling the dog out? You can't just do an open air search. You have to have probable cause. What was your probable cause, sir? Sir, what was your probable cause for calling the K-9 unit? Sir, your probable cause for calling the K-9 unit, what was that? You are not allowed to call the K-9 unit just to do an open air search without probable cause. I want to hear his answer.
I don't have to answer anything to you. Do you have your driver's license with you?
You ain't getting my ID. This don't involve me.
For my traffic stop. Yes.
No.
You brought yourself to my traffic stop, my investigation. I need your ID.
What was your probable cause for pulling the dog out?
You're going in my report. Are you going to give me your ID?
No, I'm not.
Then you're going to